Rain Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. For today's episode, we have a S-1000 UPS that needs battery replacement. As you can see, this UPS has been under the table for so long that it has collected lots of dust. Our department downstairs are complaining that this UPS is no longer working, and every time there is a power blackout, the CPU downstairs is also off. So what I'm doing here is I'm just cleaning it first. As you can see, this is the S1000 brand of UPS, and it's pretty neat, and it has a big quite a large LCD that you can use to see all the details, including the input and the output of the power. So in order to replace the battery in this UPS, we will need to take off the cover. So for that, I'm going to use a regular screwdriver. As you can see, there are 3 screws at the back of which, and at the bottom there are 4 screws that hold the casing. So I'm just going to unscrew the cover very quickly so we can proceed with replacing the battery. Before that, I'm going to show you which battery are we going to use for this UPS. This is the 12 volt 9AH battery. It is built for a standard generic UPS like this one, and you can purchase this from any computer shops. Anyway, I'm going to proceed with removing the cover. Let's speed up the video a bit. Okay, now that the cover is out of the way, we can proceed with replacing the battery, but let's clean it up a bit. But actually, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and remove these 2 braces at the top because they're a bit short, and if I force my hand to remove the battery underneath them, I might get cut or something. So let's go ahead and remove these 2 brackets that supports the logic board at the top of it. If you look at these 2 wires here, the red is the positive wire and the black is the negative wire. You must remove, I must suggest that you should remove the positive terminal first before the negative to avoid any more short circuit after that. Underneath the UPS, there are 2 other screws that supports the battery from moving, so we need to remove this as well. Another tip is to remove this plastic protector that protects the terminal of the new batteries and place them to the terminals of the old battery. This way, it will protect you from unwanted shorts when you accidentally touch the terminals to the frame of this UPS. I'm gonna speed up the video so we can see the process a lot faster than this one. So now that I have placed the battery and replaced back the brackets, we're gonna test it by pressing the power on. If it's working and the light, the LCD has turned on and it's showing that it has an output but it doesn't have an input, then this is working. So I'm gonna replace back the cover and charge this UPS after that. There you go guys, this UPS can now be used again. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.